Hello, in this video we'll get used to the Blender environment to create some 3D objects, resize, rotate, and maybe give them some color too. So first I want to delete, notice that I'm clicking the middle mouse button. I can spin around and look at the world in different directions. The scroll wheel zooms in and out. You can also use these options in the corner to look at it from the top to the bottom. There's shortcut keys as well. If you press the numpad 1 or 3 or 7, you can look at it from the top or the right or the left on your number keypad. So I'm going to look at it. Come back around this way. I'm going to delete this object. I can select it with my left mouse button and delete, or X is the shortcut. Then I'm going to make a little snowman, add mesh UV sphere. This tool over here, I can move them around. I'm going to add another one, add mesh UV sphere. Add mesh UV sphere. And this tool here would be for scale. I can drag the outside one, scale everything. This one would be to move again. Okay. And next I'm going to add some arms for him. Add mesh. So the options we have here, the closest would be a cylinder. Move that out to see what it looks like. If I scale that way down, I can make a kind of a little stick. So I'll scale it down, and then this handle would drag it out in the vertical direction. So that creates a thin pole, and that could be used for one of the arms. This one here could rotate, and it's always important to look at it from different directions to make sure it is actually where you think it is. Sometimes you could have something that looks good from one angle, might look good here, but then you go and oh, it's not there. So bring it back. I'm going to right click on this and duplicate objects. And this one here we will rotate around this way. And I just want to show you color as well. Color, if I select, say, this object here, go to materials, add a new material. You can pick the base color, and that should apply it. It's not showing up because we need to switch this here to do the shading as well. So if I click this option, I'll get some shading as well. So this one here, I can just reuse the same material that I have, and now I have those ones as a different color. And that is a start for the snowman. We can add eyes and mouth and hat as well, but just wanted to get you started with that there. Okay, good luck.